okay, or you can display 0. I prefer blank because there's no data over there. There's no point displaying zeros, it doesn't make sense. There you go. Similarly over here. Oh, again, so here also you'll have to do a if error check. Go to the end, comma, blank, brackets. There you go. Okay, so let's try this now. It's completed. It's 43%. Not started. 100%. I think there is an error somewhere over here. Okay, so what's happened here is basically so remember we said that the first line, the weightage should be 5 of the total value. Okay, look at the second one. Now when we drag the values at the bottom to the next cell, the column number and the row number changes as we drag it, right? We need to change the column number and the reference cell number based on how we go down, but the sum values, right, sum of the priorities should remain the same because the cells don't change, only your references change. So the sum should not change. It should always be E5 is to E13, not E6 to E14. It should always be E5 to E13. There's an easier way for you to lock them. That's by putting a $sign before the column and the row number. Again, do that same for the next one, $, right? And you drag it. Now you see this. If you look at the formula bar over here, see as I go up and down, only thing that's changing is the reference cell, but the sum doesn't change. Hence you're error free. This one is fine because the references got to keep changing because you're having relative completion for each. Okay, here you go. Alright, now all you have to do is the percentage would be equivalent to sum of total completion. That's all. As simple as that, and you get 58%. Centralize it, bold it up, and put it as done. Alright, and the last part of this exercise is putting a chart. Fairly simple. All you have to do is select the percentage, insert. I want a clustered chart, so click on recommended charts, go to all charts, go to bar, a clustered bar. Yeah, this is exactly what we need. Click OK. Now a few things over here. Okay, before you make any larger changes to it, go to the axis, right click, format axis, brings up your axis formatting file. So bounce is basically from what percentage to what percentage you want to show here. I want it to show always 0% to 100%, which is 1 in decimal, right? 1 is equivalent to 100%, 0% to 100%, always, right? Once that is done, I can close this. Next, select the, before I do that, delete all the sites, access, the name. We just want a simple progress bar. So delete the percentage over here. Now select this, right click, outline. I don't know if you do outline. Yeah, that worked. Select this, format data series. Gap width is basically the gap between the graph and the lines. I would change to 0 because I want it to be filled. And all you have to do is just resize this to fit into your graph. I don't prefer an edge for this again, so no line. Okay, so that's your mode. Let's close off. This is off. Just basically resizing and aligning it to fit your file. Okay, so here we go, we got what we need. Now next is all formatting and stuff. Here we don't need any of these, so you can hide them for you to make changes in the future. Okay, for now we don't want to see any of those. Before I do that, unhide, right click and unhide. Okay, whenever you start Excel formatting like this, I would normally click on all and fill white, that you get a clean slate. So when you did that, you lost all your headings, so highlight them and let's fill them with darker color, right? And let's hide all these extras. And let's format this a little bit. This is there. Okay, done. Right center. I would mention this as progress over the chart. But no borders, a dotted line below this. Okay, and oh, okay. White, just to tracking, and that's basically what it is. You're done with. The more formatting you can play around and make it more user friendly if you have to. I might just format cells and dotted lines in between. Yeah, makes it more this. Yeah, that's pretty much. And so if I go ahead and let me save this. Control S, right? That's something that all of you know. You go number 4, say 6th Jan. You have to say travel, very high importance, and it's not started. Okay, say 5 to 6th Jan. Call rental, not so important, not started. Okay, 37% basically. So if you completed your medical store, you put as completed. 63% done, not started. Suppose you complete that, and suppose you complete that, you're 100%. So there you go, your task to do tracking. Hope I've been helpful today and helped you learn what can we do with a lot of these elements of Excel, like merging. Go through all that we have done today. I could share this file to you to just use it straight away, but that doesn't help in learning Excel. That's basically just giving you a useful tool for Excel. Excel can be leveraged to a much higher level. You can do charts from this. A lot can be done. In order to customize to your needs, you need to learn how to do this step by step. That's why follow the tutorial, go through this, enter your comments what you have. If you have any difficulties, do mention on the comment section, and I'll be glad to help you out. Do share and subscribe. Thank you for your time. You have a wonderful day.